Why should boys have all the fun?
वो होता है ना, एक नजाकत होती है, वो नजाकत हम वो 90s के एक्ट्रेस में देखते थे.
Correct.
फेवरेट प्लेस ऑफ टेक अवे.
I feel anywhere close to nature. I love Black Mirror. Like I approach a song also like an actor. Hear it, follow it, copy it, paste it.
You were very beautiful. मुझे तो समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा कि कितने टेक्स लगे होंगे इस पूरे. Hey guys, this is Manjari Mukherjee and you are watching me on Pop Diaries channel. When we talk about sensuality and we talk about talent, you know, the beautiful amalgamation and the balance. Well, I feel there is only one actress who can nail it very beautifully these days, and that's one and only Huma Qureshi. I have to tell you, when I saw Dil Tham Ke, सच में दिल थम गया.
मुझे लगा बोलोगे दिल थम ही नहीं रहा था.
No, you were very beautiful.
Thank you.
I mean, the way how you started the song and everything, it's beautiful.
Thank
and you
you.
look really, really legal.
Thank you. Thank you
But
so
I
much.
have to ask you this: Shikayat, Hamari Hataria,
Monica.
exactly. All these songs have a very different vibe to it. But you balance sensuality and this whole this वो होता है ना, एक नजाकत होती है किसी चीज को करने की. वो नजाकत हम वो 90s के एक्ट्रेस में देखते थे, वो सब चीजें. So we see that in you. How do you balance that fact?
I don't know, yeah. Matlab, I wish I had an answer to this, how I balance it. I think I just feel the song. Like, I have always been the first one on the dance floor at every party. All my friends know this. मैं सबसे पहले पहुंच जाती हूँ, and I really enjoy dancing, and I'm not afraid to, you know, make a mistake. But I feel like you have to feel the song, and I think my face dances more. Because I'm
That's very
actually
true.
feeling each and every nakhra, ada,
Yeah.
whatever. And I've always been this kid. Always the first one on the dance floor. So I think, I don't know, maybe it comes from there.
That's very true. I'll highlight one point. That is one point जहाँ पे you are in front of Rajkumar and you just say Dil Tham Ke and you nazar jhukte and you just sharmao very beautifully.
Thank you.
That scene is really sweet.
Thank you.
So that kind of gives a very different kind of vibe to the whole song again. So I feel that that's a very beautiful part of the whole
Thank
song.
you. No, of course, the choreography is amazing. Vijay
Absolutely.
Ganguly's done a fantastic job. This is our second collaboration after Monica, oh my darling. And I think that had a very different style to it. This is a completely different style.
Absolutely, yes.
And, you know, this is more massy. That was more like in a very cabaret kind of a dunya. But I think he's just one of the best that we have. And, you know, I think he's always like... you know, collaborative, and his team is amazing, and you know, they always try and give me steps that look good on me and that I feel confident doing, and we just have a blast. Yeah, मतलब जाओ और मजा करो बस. मतलब that's the whole intention.
I am sure, because मुझे तो समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा कि कितने टेक्स लगे होंगे इस पूरी चीज को करने के लिए.
नहीं, हम गिनते नहीं हैं. ज़्यादा नहीं लगते.
Good. Then you're a pro in it.
Yeah.
I have to say. But when it comes to item songs, there's always this perception that comes on, you know. You are doing a song which is bold, glamorous. Sometimes industry doesn't look very nicely on the perception, especially the audience outside. Industry se bhi zyada, I think the audience perception is not that great when it comes to item songs.
Correct.
So how do you think about that when you are choosing a song? What is the first thing that runs in your mind?
I think that's not really true anymore. Like, you know, I mean, in fact, Ajay, my makeup artist, who's now been with me many, many years, we were just talking that, you know, the fact that I've done very serious films like, you know, Tarla, or serious roles like a Maharani, for which I've got immense love.
Yeah.
You know, normally क्या होता है, लोग पहले गाने करते हैं और उसके बाद कुछ सालों बाद ऐसे roles करते हैं, and I feel like I am doing everything उल्टा.
Very true.
Like, मुझे तो उल्टा ही करना है. पहले ये सब कर लो एकदम साड़ी वाड़ी पहन के, performance, gritty, and then like, why can't I dance? I'll show you I can dance also.
Wow.
No, but there's no intention like that. I think it's just about the right opportunity, the right film, the right song, and your heart just says that I have to do it. And I've always been that person. I always choose, like, this is also very, very like emotional decision, because this film is being made by friends, and you know, I know everyone, and there's so much comfort and love, and you feel very secure. And I think the way in which I knew they were going to present me was going to be very, very beautiful and very, very sensuous. And I think there's nothing wrong in a woman celebrating her sensuality, celebrating her beauty, celebrating her glamour, and having fun with it. Why should boys have all the fun?
Absolutely. But कोई inspiration तो रहा होगा ना. I mean, I always feel कि when you're doing songs like this, which has always been a part of Bollywood, like the core Bollywood has always had these bold, glamorous item songs in it from the yesteryears.
Right.
And we've had very beautiful actresses do those
Yes.
songs. So, has anyone been your inspiration?
Like for me, the OG queens will always be Sridevi ma'am or Madhuri ma'am. I think what they
Yeah.
have done and the body of work that they've left behind has been phenomenal. I have danced to every Madhuri Dixit song possible in my room, Darwaza Band Karke. I think, when you see like a Mr. India, you have Shri ma'am doing a Hawa Hawai and Kaate Nahi Katte in the same
Yes.
film, and you're like, kaise? What is that the talent? And I think I've always wanted to do more and more songs. It's just that I've not had the opportunity, and I feel also like I was not in any hurry. Like I just didn't want to do a song because one has to do it. I feel it has to be the right song. And when I heard this song and Jay, the producer, made me hear the song, I absolutely fell in love with this song. I was like, this is a great track.
That is very true. The track is actually very beautiful. It kind of keeps coming
Yeah,
into your mind.
it's a earworm. You keep
Yeah.
humming it.
Especially with Dil Tham Ke part mein, to again and again
Haan.
it keeps only coming into your mind. So yeah, I do believe that it's a hit.
Thank
It's a
you.
super
Thank
duper
you.
hit.
Thank you.
And you look beautiful in it.
Thank you.
So does Rajkumar. He looks very scary, but he looks good as well.
He's supposed to look like a gangster. Yeah.
But it was pretty nice.
Hmm.
So I think the whole vibe to the song is something that I would definitely want on the dance floors, even though I'm not really very good in dancing.
I think you're amazing. I think you'll kill it. I can
Thank
tell.
you.
I can
Thank
tell.
you.
Hmm.
That's a lot of confidence. हम बाद में देखेंगे वो
Because
फटेंगे
I
मेरी.
do believe that everybody can dance. You just have to really like make it your own. Like I feel people get into like, who would you dance like? I'm like, no, I think the idea is any song or any film or whatever. Like I approach a song also like an actor. Like, okay, I'm playing a character. And I feel I would, maybe the same step two people would do it very differently. But I have to really make it my own. So I'm not really like technically very strong, but I feel like because I feel the song, it reflects in my face, it reflects in the overall vibe of the song.
You are recommending all these tipniya on dancing. I want
Am
to.
I?
I want to get more recommendations from you. So
Okay.
I have created a list of recommendations that I want from you.
Okay,
Okay, ready?
go for it.
Okay. So the comfort movie for you, like your
The-
comfort film.
Comfort movie, matlab any rom-com. I'm a full rom-com girl, yeah.
Same here. Same here. A binge-worthy series.
Hmm. In India, Maharani.
I like it. I like that answer.
Yeah,
Oh my
it's
god,
just,
nice.
it's only just the most watched series in India ever. But
Oh
no,
god.
but it's good even without me in it. Better a little bit with me in it. No, but it's really well. It's a really well made show, really engaging show. It's got me so much love. Yeah, I can't.
And you
like,
can't stop watching the show.
you can't
once you
stop watching
started
it. It's
yes.
really given me like, I don't know, my people started looking at me differently after Maharani.
Wow.
And internationally, I love Black Mirror. I know it's very dark, but I really enjoy it. There's something about like technology and human beings that it's just like,
Yeah, it's
like whenever
good.
the new season drops, I binge watch it.
Wow, cool. Okay. A book that people should read, according to you.
Can I still plug in my own book?
You can.
Yeah, so my book called Zeba. I'm a budding author, and my first book with HarperCollins has been out, and I'm getting a lot of love for it. It's called Zeba. It's about a female superhero.
Wow. Oh my god, I have to read this one. Okay, cool. What's your skincare routine on a monsoon day? Like when it's humid and it's also summer, but it's also
I think the
monsoon.
weather in Mumbai is quite humid throughout
Yeah.
the year. But I feel like for me, it's just about like making sure that you remove all your makeup. And I try and use as many like natural products as possible. And I don't like, because of my profession, I have to use a lot of makeup. So no matter what happens, I try and stay hydrated. I try and remove my makeup, try and get sleep. I think that's essential. Like the moment you have like proper rest, your face just glows differently. And when you're like, I mean, I can see like a film, I'm like, oh my god, I'm not rested. So suddenly your eyes are looking like sunken, or your skin doesn't have that luster in it.
Wow. Okay. Favorite place of takeaway?
Takeaway.
Yeah, food.
There's a restaurant called Salim's in Delhi. I think it's got the best kebabs in the world.
I've heard of Salim's. Yes.
Yeah, it's my dad's.
My mom's.
I'm fully plugging in everything. Maharani,
Wow.
Salim, Ziba.
But this is so cool. Okay. Favorite place that heals you in India?
Anywhere in the mountains or even the ocean, actually. I feel anywhere close to nature. I think we're such a beautiful country. Even now, like the other day, I was in Alibag and we were driving back, and which is quite rare because normally you take the jetty. The Western Ghats right now are just gorgeous, beautiful, just lush. It's
Wow.
beautiful.
She says it in a way you want to go. You know?
Yeah, like
Actually.
after this we'll go.
After this, we have a reel.
Oh.
Okay. Lastly, an advice to men when it comes to dating women.
Advice to men: be nice, be kind, be courteous, smell good, treat her like a lady, and have a sense of humor. And don't only keep talking about yourself and how like amazing you are. I think make it about the woman.
Very true.
Mm.
Absolutely. Heard it?
Heard
Absolutely.
it, follow it, copy it, paste it.
And
See how your game
exactly.
changes.
And what else do you have to, hear and keep hearing and keep watching? And that is Dil Tham Ke, starring Huma Qureshi.
Thank you.
From Malik. You will see it on YouTube. You will see it on her Instagram page as well, and everywhere else.
And then in the
because it's
theatres.
trending. Yes. And you'll also be seeing it on my page because I will be dancing to it as well. So
Love it, love it,
thank
love
you.
it, love it.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Huma,
you.
for being so warm and for being here
You're
on Pop
lovely.
Diaries. Thank you. And what will you do? Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. Definitely don't forget to comment and let me know what you love about Huma Qureshi. Bye.